Hi, my name is Jason Essler with Electrical Power and Safety Company. Welcome to the EBSCO Qualified Electrical Worker Training. Before we get into how this course is structured, I would like to take a minute and cover why we made this training. If you've ever taken online safety training, you already know that the platform can be hard to engage with. It all kind of looks the same. There's the Voiceover PowerPoint, you have some stock photos and videos, really zero hands-on and really no real-world experience. And prior to this course, I would say that we kind of fit the bill. We kind of had the same look. So even though we had hundreds of people waiting to take our course, we decided to pull what we had off the market until we could make something that we were truly proud of. We went back to the drawing board. We asked ourselves, how do we make a training that has awesome content, engaging delivery, and really have some fun in the process of making it? So we worked hard. I'm really proud of our team and what they delivered. Really, the way that we accomplished this starts out with our trainers. We reached out to every branch and territory within EBSCO and flew the best instructors we have on our staff here to help us with it. That includes Nick Knobloch, electrical engineer who graduated from the University of Minnesota Duluth. He specialized in power systems analysis. Lucas Bonin, he graduated from Dakota County Technical College. He was an electrical line worker. He's got about 7 years experience. Will be helping us with some overhead line information. He's currently our engineering manager here at EBSCO. Philip Hadia, manufacturing engineer with over 25 years experience in fire safety. He's currently the VP of design. Josh Miller, he worked as an electrician prior to coming to EBSCO. He's performed safety training for hundreds of individuals across the country and specializes in power systems analysis. Courtney Piney is a mechanical engineer that has been working in industrial facilities since she graduated from the St. Cloud State University. And last but certainly not least is Dave Fernandez. He's our Chief Operating Officer here at EBSCO. Dave Fernandez has a master's in electrical engineering. He's a licensed professional engineer in all 50 states and the District of Columbia in mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. He is currently a certified energy manager, CEM, certified electrical safety compliance professional, CESP, and sits on the executive committee for the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, or IEEE. I'm excited to have this knowledge all in one spot, and truly it's these men and women that made this training incredible. So let's talk about content quick. We started over with a clean slate and dove into the latest versions of the NFPA 70E. We also worked with our field engineering team as well as our customers to see what's going on right now in the industry, what questions everybody has, and what changes need to be made. As an informational note, much of what you're going to hear in this course is either referenced from or taken verbatim from the NFPA 70E handbook. You will need a copy of the latest NFPA 70E handbook in order to take our training to comply with copyright laws and the NFPA-owned material. This will also give you a good method to follow along. To help keep the training timely, the trainers will not directly reference or say which code they are quoting or speaking about. Instead, you will see the code listed on the screen somewhere. Lastly, we took a look at the backdrop, took a look at where we're going to be shooting our training at. We reached out to some of our favorite customers and asked if we could borrow some of their facilities, and they graciously said yes. The results have been absolutely amazing. Very special thank you goes out to all of our customers who helped make this possible. So as we navigate through the training, you're going to find a number of exercises at the end of each section. Please make sure you do them. There's a couple reasons for this. First, it's designed to support the topic being discussed. It's also going to give you an opportunity to stand up, stretch your legs, kind of get away from the computer for a little bit. And lastly, it's a legal requirement from OSHA and NFPA 70E to have hands-on interaction as part of your electrical safety training. Also, one more note on that, when you're performing the exercises, do not actually perform the work itself. This is just meant to be a demonstration. We don't want you to introduce yourself to any unnecessary hazards. Again, please make sure you are doing the exercises, but whatever you do, please make sure that you don't put yourself in harm's way. So at the end of each section, you're also going to find a couple of questions to test your knowledge and help you prepare for the final exam. 80% or greater will be required in order to pass the final course, so please make sure you free yourself of any other distractions during this time. From everyone here at EBSCO, I want to thank you for letting us be part of your electrical safety efforts, and I think we'll get started. Enough of me. So let's head over to Philip Hadia with our Arc Flash Survivor interview. Take it over, Phil.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, it's cool. This is my first time getting to hear your experience.
Yeah. Well, I probably tell it different each time.
How old are your sons?